Hi, I'm Jon Imms with CleanSpace, and today I'd like to talk to you about our powered respiratory system. I'd like to talk to you about CleanSpace2. CleanSpace is a new concept and a new technology in providing respiratory protection. Traditionally, PAPR products are a constant flow, belt-mounted hose to a head-top product. CleanSpace takes a very different approach to providing this level of protection. Our product is very simple, it's very small, it's very light. It's very compact, very comfortable to wear. And we have achieved this by flowing the air in a very different manner. So CleanSpace is not a constant flow product. We would call this a demand flow respirator. We provide air to the level that the wearer needs to maintain a positive pressure. I'd like to start by talking about the filter system and the motor unit that comes with CleanSpace. When we look at CleanSpace, the simplest thing is if we start at the back, and at the rear of CleanSpace we have the filter. This is the filter cover. We have a clip which we pull up to reveal the filter. Now this is our low profile filter. This is a P100 high efficiency filter. Okay, can't be put in incorrectly. It can only go into the system one way. So this is providing the highest efficiency filtration protection that you can get. It's very simple. The cover just closes over the filter like so. We close the clip. The cover provides moisture protection. This is a rain cover, and so it enables us to be working in damp environments. So let's look at the control panel on CleanSpace. You'll notice that we have two buttons. We have some battery indicator lights, and we have a little filter indicator light over here. To activate CleanSpace, we press and release the on button. That will illuminate the lights, the battery indicator lights. You may notice that you can hear that the CleanSpace is not running. Now, typical constant flow powered respiratory system, when we hit the on button, the motor will start running. Those type of products are designed to have a consistent flow at a predetermined litres per minute to maintain a positive pressure inside the facepiece. CleanSpace is not running because it's in standby mode. Now, as you can see, the design of our product is very different to constant flow products. We are not relying on a bulk volume of air to maintain a positive pressure. CleanSpace has inside it a pressure sensor, and what the pressure sensor is doing right now is sampling the ambient air pressure. It's sampling the in-mask air pressure, and 100 times per second it compares those two pressures. And so it's in standby mode waiting for that pressure to change. So at the moment the pressure inside the mask and the pressure outside the mask are the same, and so the unit doesn't need to run. When we put the unit on and we take a breath, we momentarily drop the air pressure inside the mask, so it goes lower than the air pressure that's outside the mask. That will activate the motor, and we then start delivering air. Now that air is delivered in such a way to always maintain a higher pressure inside the mask than outside. So that overcomes the effect of breathing and dropping the pressure, perhaps some leakage which will drop the pressure. 100 times a second we're comparing, and we know how to adjust. So we're confident that we're always maintaining a positive pressure inside that facepiece. If we look at the battery indicator lights, okay, I have two lights illuminated here. A fully charged battery would be running 3 lights. We run a lithium polymer battery. Now lithium polymer has some benefits. One of the main benefits is the speed of recharge. So our product, from dead flat to fully charged, takes a time of 2 hours. We also have the ability to be able to give short charges to our battery. So if I come in at lunchtime, I can plug my battery in for half an hour and give it a quick charge without damaging the battery. The half an hour charge, we will add a good hour or two to our run time, which enables us to get a very long run time out of our battery system. CleanSpace varies in terms of how much the motor works as to how much our body is working and how hard we are breathing. So we would call this a nominal 8-hour battery, and that run time can fluctuate a little bit depending how hard we're working. But we have that ability to give constant top-up charges. We have a flow test button, which I'll show you in a minute, if someone wants to grab that yellow thing for me in a moment. But we also, I'd like to talk first about our filter blockage alarm. So CleanSpace has a filter blockage alarm built into the system. Now this is an early warning alarm, so it's designed to activate when the filter has approximately 15% of its capacity remaining. Now that's an early warning system, and we've done that on purpose. If you're working in on an important task and the alarm goes off for your filter, you may not necessarily have the ability to come out and change that filter. You've still got 15% of the filter life remaining. If you press and release the on button, it will cancel that audible alarm. Now every 15 minutes until you replace the filter, that alarm is going to kick in again. It's a 75 decibel, it's a double beep, so it's a beep beep. If you hit the on button, it'll cancel the beep. You can continue working, but every 15 minutes it's going to go off. When you finish the task and you come out and you have the ability to change the filter, the alarm will go away. Now the filter alarm enables you to gain a full life out of your filter. It's very difficult to tell visually if a filter is used up. So it enables you to get the full life out of your filter, and it also gives you the confidence that if that alarm's not going off, your filter is in good shape, okay, and you're going to be protected. Now you may notice that the green battery indicator lights have gone off. That's because I haven't actually put the mask on yet. I haven't activated the motor. The product will stay in standby mode for 3 minutes. So on the bottom of the device we have the recharge port. So this is a DC jack system. Look, recharging CleanSpace is very similar to charging your mobile phone. The jack is put into the port, and then the block is put into the power supply. So it's a very simple recharge system.